Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to create a motion path for CSS with offset path. So let's get started. So just to explain it to you what I basically means like creating a motion path. So here you can see that I have one image and I am animating it in a form of triangle path. So here you can see it is animating it in form of a triangle. So for this, firstly we will require the path of a triangle. Now you can pick whatever SVG you want. I just went to W3 school, and for this SVG of a triangle I just copied this particular path. Now you feel free to use whatever SVG you feel like. So yeah, and all I have done is that I have created an application using Vite. You don't need to understand Vite or know Vite. You can just create a normal HTML and CSS file as well. And given that I am using Vite, I have taken the image inside public folder as well. So this is the image which we have, and if you see inside index.html, all I have done is that I have linked our styles CSS file, and here is our img tag where I am referencing our robot.jpg file, and I have given it a class of robot. And inside our CSS, now I'm referencing our robot file. I've just given it a margin so that it doesn't go outside our screen. And here inside offset path, just do path and whatever path you have copied. So in my case, this was this the path, right? So I've just copied this path inside our CSS file, and here I have just defined some keyframe animation of fly for 0% offset distance of 0%, for 100% offset distance of 100%. You can play around with this value. So inside animation I have given it a fly 9 seconds, and here I have just applied some cubic bezier, and here I have just applied as both, and I need to play it infinite, like keep on playing it continuously. So yeah, that's how simple it is, and this is the output for it. Now if you want, you can also offset rotate. So if I want, I can do an offset rotate of auto 90 degrees. This is optional, so I will leave that up to you. So here you can see I'm able to offset rotate it as well. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.